This is part 2.5. Balo, day man ka ang basketball.
Iya, kay pro na siya sa una tayo. He was like LeBron James.
Ay! No spreading the house!
What?
Stop!
Let me be in your back. Go in the front.
Bruh. Same. Wave! Wave!
Go in the front. Go to the front.
Yeah, you're going to the front. I'm going to back.
Pero tell me where to go.
Yes. Hala, kapangit ano? May pa.
You're facing the chair.
Sige. Sige, balik-balik diri kay.
Siguro na yung siya. Palit yung
Lipstick. Palit ko lipstick. Ay, ko
Palit
raw.
mo kape?
Ay, wala. Kapil kain. Look like I'm floating.
Tayo, put your stands.
Na.
Tayo, I can't hold it anymore.
Fine. I told you I cannot deploy my stand.
Let me do it.
No! No! No!
So what do I do?
2 minutes. We need 5 minutes or 6 minutes. 10 minutes. Again. Guys, we're going to storm chasing. This is part 3.5. Part 2. Forget.
Say this tayo. Part 4 fake storm chasing.
No! This is the end, guys. Goodbye. And see more storms. Oh,
Look how big the funnel is.
that's not a funnel.